Have you ever seen sound? An intriguing question, isn't it? Today, we're exploring an art form that does just that: sonic sculptures. This unique artistic expression sits at the fascinating intersection of art and science, transforming ephemeral sound waves into tangible visual masterpieces. Sonic sculptures encapsulate the beauty of sound in a form you can see, touch, and experience in a whole new way. So, ready to explore this captivating world where art meets science? It's time to dive deeper into the world of sonic sculptures. To truly appreciate sonic sculptures, first, we need to understand what they are. So what are these intriguing works of art? Well, sonic sculptures are a unique blend of art and science, transforming sound into physical form. Imagine being able to see the melody of your favorite song or the rhythm of a rainstorm. That's the magic of sonic sculptures. They take the intangible essence of sound and turn it into something you can see and touch. It's about capturing the invisible vibrations of sound waves and frequencies, then translating them into visual representations. These representations can take various forms, from intricate three-dimensional models to fascinating patterns on a flat surface. Each sonic sculpture is as unique as the sound it embodies, offering a new perspective on the way we perceive audio. Now that we understand what sonic sculptures are, let's explore how they are made. Every art form has a beginning. So where did sonic sculptures originate? Sonic sculptures, or the art of visualizing sound, can trace their roots back to the mid-20th century. The concept was born out of a desire to merge the realms of the audible and the visible to create a sensory experience that transcends the traditional boundaries of art. Pioneers like German physicist and musician Ernst Chladni and Swiss artist Hans Jenny were the trailblazers in this field. Chladni, often referred to as the father of acoustics, was the first to visualize sound vibrations by spreading sand on metal plates and playing them like a violin. Jenny, on the other hand, brought this concept into the modern age with his innovative technique of using liquids and powders to create mesmerizing cymatic patterns. From its inception, sonic sculptures have evolved thanks to technology. Today, artists use advanced tools and software, transforming pure sound into tangible, visually stunning works of art. Technology plays a crucial role in the creation of sonic sculptures. But how? Well, it's a fascinating process, really. Artists use a range of cutting-edge tools and software to bring sonic sculptures to life. Visualizer software, for instance, takes sound waves and transforms them into visual data, creating a digital blueprint of the sculpture. Then, with the help of 3D printing technology, these blueprints are materialized into physical form, capturing the essence of sound in a tangible medium. Some artists even use technologies like virtual reality to create immersive sonic sculpture experiences. Imagine being able to walk through a forest of sound waves, each tree a different note. And it's not just about creating the sculptures. Technology also allows us to interact with and appreciate these pieces in new ways, from augmented reality apps to interactive museum exhibits. Indeed, with the right technology, sound waves transform into tangible art. Sound is intangible. So, how does it become a physical piece of art, you may ask? The process is as enchanting as it is scientific. It starts with the sound itself, a unique arrangement of frequencies and vibrations. These are captured and translated into data through sophisticated technology. Each sound wave is unique, like a fingerprint, and this uniqueness is what gives birth to the diversity in sonic sculptures. The data is then processed through software that generates a visual representation of these sound waves. Artists then step in, using this visual blueprint to craft their sonic sculpture. They can manipulate materials such as metal, glass, or even light to mirror these patterns, creating the tangible form of the previously invisible sound. Each sculpture becomes a physical embodiment of a specific sound, frozen in time and space. Through this intricate process, sound, once invisible, now has a form we can see and touch. Isn't that just fascinating? There's a fascinating science behind sonic sculptures. At the heart of these unique artworks lies a blend of physics and sound principles. Let's delve into this captivating fusion. Sonic sculptures are essentially visual representations of sound waves. They're born from the way sound travels, as waves of pressure, through air, or any other medium. This is where the principle of wave propagation comes to play. These waves have distinct characteristics, including amplitude, wavelength, and frequency, which determine their unique sound. But how do we transform these intangible waves into tangible art? This is where the field of cymatics steps in. Cymatics is the study of visible sound and vibration. Artists use cymatic devices to translate sound vibrations into patterns on physical materials like sand, water, or even fire. These patterns are then captured and transformed into permanent artworks. Through this intricate dance of science and creativity, sonic sculptures bring the unseen world of sound to life. Through science, art takes on a new dimension. In the world of sonic sculptures, some creations stand out. Consider Sonic Bloom by Dan Corson, a solar-powered symphony of resonating stalks. Or how about Waveform by Ruben Margolin, a kinetic sculpture that mimics the fluidity of sound. Then there's Wind Sound Sculpture by Paul Matisse, which uses wind to create its melodies. And who can forget Aural Plains by Trimpin, where music takes flight. Each of these sonic sculptures is a testament to the power of sound and creativity. Sonic sculptures do more than just please the eye. They impact us in profound ways. These masterpieces of sound and form take us on an immersive journey, captivating our senses and evoking deep emotional responses. The intertwining of visual and auditory stimuli creates a multisensory experience that is truly unique. The undulating forms, inspired by the rhythm and melody of sound, can elicit feelings of calm, excitement, or even nostalgia, depending on the viewer's personal interpretation. The psychological impact is equally compelling. Sonic sculptures challenge our perception of reality, pushing us to consider sound not just as an auditory experience, but as a tangible visual one. They remind us of the interconnectedness of our senses and the power of art to transcend traditional boundaries. Moreover, sonic sculptures often inspire conversations about the role of technology in art, fostering a deeper understanding and appreciation of this innovative intersection. Sonic sculptures, thus, create a unique sensory experience. Sonic sculptures have found their way into popular culture. Their unique blend of art and science has resonated with creators across various entertainment forms, from the pulsating beats of music to the immersive soundscapes of movies. These sonic sculptures are not just a curiosity, they are a testament to the limitless possibilities of creativity. They've become a medium for expression, a tool for storytelling, and a catalyst for awe-inspiring experiences. Pop culture has embraced the beauty of sonic sculptures. The journey of sonic sculptures is far from over. This unique art form is only just starting to hit its stride, evolving with every new wave of technological advancement and artistic innovation. Imagine a world where sonic sculptures are not just experienced visually, but also interactively. With the rise of virtual and augmented reality, we could soon be stepping inside these soundscapes, feeling the vibrations of the sound waves as they ripple through our bodies. Now consider the potential for AI in this field. Artificial intelligence could be used to analyze and interpret sounds in new ways, creating sonic sculptures that are as much a reflection of the machine's understanding as they are of the artist's intention. And what about the changing trends in art? As we move towards more sustainable and eco-conscious practices, could we see the emergence of sonic sculptures that harness natural sounds, like the rustling of leaves or the crashing of waves? The future of sonic sculptures promises exciting possibilities. Creating a sonic sculpture might seem daunting, but it's a journey worth embarking on. The process begins with capturing a sound, any sound that resonates with you. Next, you'll need to analyze the sound wave using software. It's here where the science meets the art. You'll interpret the wave's peaks and valleys, turning them into a tangible visual representation. Don't worry about perfection. Embrace the process, let your creativity flow, and remember, it's all about expression. Creating your own sonic sculpture can be a rewarding experience. Creating sonic sculptures comes with its own set of challenges. The precision needed to capture the essence of sound waves is no easy task. It requires a keen understanding of both art and science. The technology involved can be daunting, with complex software and hardware needed to bring the vision to life. Balancing the aesthetic appeal while maintaining the integrity of the sound can be a juggling act. But don't be discouraged. With patience and perseverance, these challenges can be overcome. There's a unique joy in creating and experiencing sonic sculptures. The act of transforming sound into a visual spectacle provides a profound sense of satisfaction, while the resulting artwork evokes awe and wonder. Sonic sculptures bring joy, inspiration, and a sense of wonder. The world of sonic sculptures is as vast as it is fascinating. A blend of art and science, these captivating creations transform sound into tangible art. As we've discovered, their impact is significant and their future, vibrant. Sonic sculptures truly embody the beautiful union of art and science. Now that you've journeyed into the world of sonic sculptures, What's next? Don't keep your thoughts and experiences to yourself. Share them below. If you've attempted creating your own sonic sculpture, we'd love to hear about it. Like, share, subscribe for more intriguing content. Stay curious, keep exploring, and until next time, keep seeing sound. Before we wrap up, let's delve a bit deeper into the fascinating science behind sonic sculptures. You see, the creation of these unique pieces of art is heavily reliant on the physics of sound waves. Each wave has two main properties: frequency and amplitude. The frequency, or the speed at which the wave oscillates, affects the pitch of the sound. Higher frequencies result in a higher pitch and vice versa. On the other hand, amplitude, which determines the height of the wave, impacts the volume. Higher amplitude equals louder sound. The material used in crafting the sculptures also plays a significant role. Different materials resonate at different frequencies, and this greatly influences the final sonic output. So you see, the science behind sonic sculptures is as fascinating as the art itself. It's a harmonious blend of physics and creativity. Now, isn't that something to ponder upon? Indeed, sonic sculptures are not just about the science, they're about emotion too. Each sculpture, with its unique sound, has the power to evoke a wide range of emotions within us. The gentle ripple of a water-inspired sonic sculpture might soothe us, while the powerful vibrations of a metal one might energize us. It's all about what the artist wishes to convey and how we, as listeners, interpret it. This emotional resonance of sonic sculptures is also being explored in therapy and healing. The soothing sounds can help reduce stress and anxiety, leading to a better sense of well-being. So you see, sonic sculptures touch not just our eyes and ears, but our hearts too. They're a testament to how art can transcend visual boundaries to create a deeply personal and emotional experience. Believe it or not, sonic sculptures are not confined to galleries. They're all around us. Nature, in its own way, is the greatest artist of sonic sculptures. The symphony of the wind, the rhythm of the rain, the chirping of birds, all these are natural sonic sculptures. The rustling of leaves underfoot, the gentle lapping of waves on a beach, even the buzzing of bees, they're all music to our ears. To find these natural sonic sculptures, all you need to do is listen. Tune into the sounds around you, appreciate their rhythm, their pitch, their tone. Each sound tells a story, each sound is a piece of art. So the next time you step outside your door, remember, nature is the greatest artist, and her sonic sculptures are all around us. Sonic sculptures are not a solitary pursuit, they're a shared experience. Around the world, artists and enthusiasts gather at exhibitions and festivals to marvel at these unique creations. These events serve as a melting pot of ideas, inspirations, and shared appreciation. They bring people from all walks of life together, united by their shared fascination for this unique intersection of art and science. Sharing and appreciating sonic sculptures with others can be a deeply enriching experience. It allows us to see the art from different perspectives, to understand different interpretations, and most importantly, to connect with others over a shared love for this unique form of art. So the next time you come across a sonic sculpture, don't just appreciate it alone. Share it with others, discuss it, explore it together. Sonic sculptures bring people together in shared wonder and appreciation. Sonic sculptures are not just a moment, they're a journey that begins with a spark of inspiration, a concept that starts as a whisper and grows into a symphony. The joy of seeing sound take shape, of watching an abstract idea transform into a tangible, audible reality, is a feeling that is hard to describe. It's like watching a painting come to life, but instead of colors and shapes, you're working with tones and vibrations. The satisfaction of completing a sonic sculpture, of seeing your vision come to life, is unparalleled. Creating a sonic sculpture is a journey of discovery, creativity, and joy. It's a journey that challenges you, surprises you, and ultimately, rewards you with a masterpiece that is as much a reflection of you as it is of the sounds it represents.